model is this?
It's a Featherlight Vantari 2020. Triple slide.
Thank you. All right, so when you walk in, look at this beauty. Wow. This is gorgeous. So you have your pilot seat, your co-pilot, or your captain. You have some storage right over here. And then I love the ceiling is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And you have your dining over here. Your dining is gorgeous. The table feels amazing. Then you also have some storage down here. So this is nice. Got some extra storage. And you have some storage right here. Wow, this is pretty. I love the material and the counters on everything. You have your controls right here. You have a cool looking glass there. And you have storage up here. Also, this one comes with a desk, built-in desk. So you have your little office right over here. Check this out. Oh my God, I love it. So you could check this out. You could sit here, do some working, or some work, not working. You have your drawers here. Oh, this is beautiful. I would love to sit here and work. Wow. You have your lamp, desk. Super cool. And then you also have some storage here. Oh, check that out for your printer. So this is a real office setup. Printer paper. Cool. And then over here you have your kitchen. So you have your glass stove top. You have your microwave, convection oven. It is a convection. You have a lot of storage, room to put everything away. It does have a dishwasher. And then you have your garbage down here, which pulls out. And you have your, oh, look at that, your vacuum. Got your vacuum here. You have your full-size refrigerator. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. I love it. And here's your full-size pantry. Oh, this one has a bunk. So you have, we could put the kids back here. Kids can go back here. You have your bathroom. Oh, the bathroom is beautiful. Check that out. Now that's an RV bathroom. This is gorgeous. And you have a ton of room everywhere to store things. They have a TV in the bathroom. Your panels to control all the lights. And then here's the bedroom. The master bedroom. You have your washer and dryer. You have your beautiful sink right out here. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then you have, this looks like it's a television that comes out from here. You have this. You have a ton of closet space. Whole lot of closet space. Super nice. Ton of room down here. You have nightstands. I love the nightstands. And then you have your bed, king size bed. And it looks, yep, it goes up. So at nighttime this comes out probably till about here. And there's a fan in here. This is so beautiful. And what's back here? Oh, more closet space. And you have a safe. So it comes with a safe. That is nice. And more drawers. So there's plenty of room. They definitely thought of putting a lot of storage space in all your controls. It is beautiful. Oh, I love it.